Ed Customs. This is the W.H.O grinder muffler repair, we'll call it. Removal, replace. Anyway, we're gonna improve this, change it up a little bit so it stops getting ruined. The W.H.O is angry. All right. I don't think we're gonna need this anymore. We got new clamps. We don't need this clamp. We got brand new muffler, brand new 90s. Again, gonna lay the muffler down this way just to improve the way it works. Got to change it before it really starts raining in Washington and filling the turbo with water. I think once the motor stops on this thing, it may not be worth repairing anymore. But we'll keep it going as long as we can. Bam. So actually I have two different 90s here. A tall one and a short one. I'm gonna use the short one, keep it as low as I can. Again, tree debris from the tub. So we got all of our exhaust parts came from our local exhaust supplier, local exhaust shop, Randy's Custom Exhaust, good friend of mine. Most of the subscribers on my channel know him. Anyway, 44-inch muffler hanging out this way. That's gonna work perfect. Probably build a bracket right off the handrail, catch the rest of the weight. Nope, already changed my mind. We're gonna keep all the bracketry on the motor so it all moves with the muffler. You wouldn't want to hold your muffler in the back up here and hold it with the frame over there of this grinder. This thing twists really good. It shakes. We're gonna need some good support. Obviously the last stuff wasn't worth much. That'll work pretty good right here. I'll heat this up, twist it, weld it right back to there. That one's done. This is the inlet. It says inlet. That's the difficult way to do things. Our muffler's a little dented. We'll use this hammer here. Dress up our muffler. turkey. You gotta do the bucket rodeo. Bucket rodeo. There we go. All right. We don't want to bury it too deep in there. We need sealing surface for our clamps. Got to keep it off the bend. That's an ugly bracket. We might just change all of that. So. Whew. So we got bracket right here on the front of the motor. I think we'll build off of that. Get our piping up. It'll be really nice. Nicest parts on the W.H.O. Nice.